Bad habits can be like little roadblocks on the path to success. And if you're not careful, they can trip you up and prevent you from reaching your full potential. But they're good news. By making a conscious effort to break bad habits, you can clear the way for a brighter future. So if you're ready to kick these unhealthy habits to the curb, then listen on, my friends, because understand, why do the things that you do often? Why do you do them? Bad habits are a result of boredom or stress. And in these uncertain times, we all have our own coping mechanisms to put in place. However, if left unchecked, they can negatively impact our professional success. Developing habits to get through the day, whether out of boredom or stress, won't just harm your end result, it'll take you longer to get there too. So instead, make a conscious effort to shift your focus away from unhealthy distractions toward productivity. Now, understanding why we do the things we do is a great tool to use while breaking these bad habits in order to achieve the success that you're looking for, my friends. So here's how we're going to get started. Number one, you have to make a plan to break your bad habits. So this could involve setting goals, finding a support group, or really seeking professional help, seeking coaching perhaps. Breaking bad habits is no easy feat, but getting rid of them is the first step toward achieving any kind of professional success. It's not just about settling for good enough. It's about making a conscious effort to get rid of what's holding you back. So start by creating a plan slowly. Get rid of those bad habits. And a coach, and a high performance coach especially, can really help you with that. Break it down into manageable goals. Ask for support from family or friends. Or again, seek out that coach who has been there to help you through it. Either way, you'll get closer to kicking those bad habits goodbye. Now, the second thing is you have to take action. You must take action to break your bad habits. And this might mean avoiding a trigger situation, changing your routine, or using positive enforcement. If you want to move up in your personal and your professional life, it's time to break some bad habits. Now, sure, it won't be easy. Kicking a not so good habit requires a deliberate effort and tenacity, but don't let that stop you. Trigger situations can be avoided, routines can be changed, and rewards can help you keep you motivated on the path towards success. Take action because good enough won't cut it. You must seize the opportunity to break free from those bad habits, my friends. Now, also, we're going to talk about one more thing because you must be patient and persistent. It takes time to change your habits, any habit, be it good or bad. So don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally. It's going to happen, but prepare yourself for it. No one knows better than you that bad habits are like pesky, stubborn weeds. You can pull them up, but then they'll grow back. That's why it takes more than just one hefty tug to break out of those old patterns and to start heading into that direction that you're looking for. It's essential to remain patient and persistent as you work towards implementing these beneficial habits into your life, because progress will come with time. Even if you're not seeing it just quite yet, and you probably won't, there's no need to beat yourself up if you find yourself back at square one once in a while. It's completely understandable, and that's what it is. That's what it takes to succeed. Reward yourself. Reward yourself for making progress. That's my final tip for you today, my friends, because you must celebrate each victory as you work toward breaking your bad habits for good. Small successes can make all the difference when it comes to breaking bad habits. Every victory counts, so take a moment to pause and to celebrate these milestones. Rewards don't always have to take the form of money or material possessions. Even something simple like taking a break from work every couple hours, or treating yourself to your favorite cup of coffee, or after completing a certain task, are really just these great little encouragements for tackling a difficult feat. So go ahead, give yourself permission to take pleasure in every achievement as you strive toward establishing new productive habits. So my friends, those are the 5 tips for breaking bad habits. Remember, it takes time and effort to change any habit, but it is possible with the right mindset and plan. And if you need a little extra help, reach out to me for high performance coaching. I'm a certified high performance coach. In just one session, we can work together to create a personalized plan to help you overcome any obstacles standing in your way of success. So schedule your free 1-hour coaching session with me today. The link is somewhere right beside this video, or it's in the show notes if you're listening to it in the car. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another morning rounds. Before your morning rounds. Talk then. Bye-bye.